Jacked Rabbit created a coupon providing their customers a discount on specific products in their store as a way to increase sales on items they wanted to move more quickly. Now, whether you pronounce it coupons or coupons, I think we can all agree that it's pronounced coupons. How'd they do that? Coupons can be a great way to incentivize purchases. Whether you're discounting specific products or sections in your store, or rewarding customers who spend a certain amount on their order, you can easily customize and create coupons from the Coupons section under your store dashboard. Click on Add Coupon, then enter a code. This code is what your customers will enter during the checkout process. You can set a number of coupons available for use, or you can check Unlimited to allow any number of customers to use this coupon. Additionally, you can make the coupon work indefinitely with no set start or end date just by checking Never Expires, or you can select a start and end date under Dates Available. The coupon criteria section is where you'll choose which kind of discount you want to provide. Each type has its own unique set of options. There's a % discount, dollar discount, and free shipping. As you might guess, with % discount, you provide a set percentage off the total cost of an order. It may be an entire order that exceeds a certain dollar amount, or just products that are listed in specific categories of your store, or even individual products that you select. Here we've set it to be 20% off any products purchased from this category. Dollar discount is the same in terms of what the discount is applied to, but instead of a percentage off, you choose a set dollar amount off. Here we've chosen to have it be $50 off any order over $250. Free shipping applies to the same criteria, except you select a shipping option from your list of shipping rates you've set up under Settings, and make that one free. Here we've set there to be free shipping on any orders over $100. Once you've saved your coupon and published your site, the coupon is active and your customers will be able to use the coupon during checkout on any orders that fit the limitations that pertain to that particular coupon. They will see their discount applied immediately, and all discounts are applied pre-tax and pre-shipping, except for free shipping, which of course applies only to shipping. And that's how you do that.